This video tutorial I will explain in MongoDB Atlas how to remove these databases under this project and how to remove this project from this particular organization. Click on database, click on terminate. We have to enter the cluster name. Click on terminate, and here you can see your cluster is shutting down. And cluster is successfully terminated. Next, click on this project. Next, click on this organization, and it has one project. Click on delete, and here we have to enter the project name. Click on delete project. It is showing warning message saying that this project cannot be deleted because it has active charts apps. All charts apps needs to be terminated before the project can be deleted. We will see how to do that. Click on cancel. Click on visit project settings. Here you can see delete charts. Click on this. Click on delete charts, and it is successfully done. Now click on delete project. Click on delete project, and you can see the project is successfully deleted. Next, we will see how to delete this organization. Click on settings. Click on delete organization. Click on this, and organization is successfully deleted. So I have covered how to delete cluster from the project, and how to delete the project from the organization, and how to delete the organization. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button, and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.